Of all the gifts mankind has been given, the ability to create may be the greatest of them all. The ability to take inspiration from the world around us and create something new. To take an idea, a thought, or a dream and give it purpose, give it life. It is this ability to create that makes us unique, that makes us, as a whole, the same, but individually different. So dare to express who you are. Dare to dream, to redefine your limits, to take in the world around you and paint your canvas. Dare to create, innovate, and inspire. Because in the end, you choose the road you take, and the only barrier in your way is your own imagination.